So this is 80 years old, this restaurant. They're selling a popular dish called Zongze. It's like rice. Oh, they're using the abacus over here. Using the old school way of counting.
The restaurant is still the same.
Still the same.
Well, 80 years maybe they do a little bit change, you know, but
Yeah.
that's done, you know?
Do you know the name of this place?
Huh?
Yeah, do you know the name or not?
No, I don't know the Chinese name, but I cannot remember, you know?
Shao.
There's the kitchen. Still old school, you know?
Old school kitchen here. It looks like it's 80 years old actually.
Yeah,
The
man,
kitchen.
they just repair. Maybe maybe before 30 years they just add different, you know, marble or some stuff like this, or ceramic.
Doing the cooking over here. The Zongze's, the small one you see here at like 8 RMB.
Yeah.
The other big ones there, 13 RMB.
Because I think it's different stuff, and this is like had meat on it or something, right? It's like pork and chicken.
13 RMB is like £1.50.
You still check everything by the weight, also way. You're gonna measure it like that, make it like that. It's still old school way, you know. And the funny is when you start bathing cash, doing it all.
Who needs a calculator?
Delivered food is still old, you know. They don't do that. Don't scan the tail or nothing. Every morning breakfast, only old people here. See Monkey King.
Oh,
Stuff.
here's the Monkey King. Money collectors.
Yeah, money collectors. Actually, this is my neighbor. Is one of the oldest Guangdong medicine still selling, still doing in the business.
老去金什么时间？
这位大老板，你呢？
大老板是他，
你的大老板。
帮他打工。
This is actually beauty.
So what's this saying on here? What is this?
This is the medicine he sells. Actually doing different mix for you, right?
Okay.
So most of the old women coming here buy from him what? Only the old Chinese people are still buying this stuff.
Right.
They're making the face mask, you know, the care of beauty. So he have different herb, right?
Right.
So it's about what your situation, what your problem in the skin, what you have in the stomach, everything. He just mix it for you.
So he's making this mainly for the face mask.
Yeah. Well, and also Chinese medicine, you know, you can drink it. We call it the black water, hai shui, right? So it's
Cheers.